Dr. Huebner here speaking about traction alopecia. What is traction alopecia? Well, traction alopecia is where people will lose their hair, and usually it's women, and often African American women, because they have tight hairstyles. They will lose the frontal edges around the ear and at the nape of the neck. And this is often due to micro braids, weaves, glues, adhesives, anything that's going to be pulling on a follicle. And this can happen over a period of years or even decades, where they basically will just lose the edges. And this is a preventable thing, but it's also a very treatable condition. Hair transplants are highly successful, but it's so important to go to a clinic that understands coily, curly, ethnic hair to have any chance of success. You have to have an experienced team with this type of hair. So again, traction alopecia, preventable due to the hairstyles that are very tight, completely treatable in a permanent way with a hair transplant. If you have any questions about traction alopecia, please call us here at 844-327-4247.
Take the first step to better hair. Call 844-327-4247 to schedule your free virtual consultation.